subscribe to our YouTube channel, and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Nokia has silently announced its new entry-level smartphone called Nokia C02 with a classic old model design. Now let's see the specifications of this smartphone. The Nokia C02 features a small 5.45-inch FWVGA Plus display with 18:9 aspect ratio, and it has 5-megapixel selfie shooter under the thick bezel at the top left corner. The rear panel of the phone houses a single 5-megapixel camera at the top left corner, including LED flash. Under the hood, the Nokia C02 comes powered by unspecified quad-core 1.4 GHz processor paired with 2 GB of RAM and 32 GB of internal storage, which is further expandable up to 256 GB via microSD card slot. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 12 under Go edition, and it is backed by 3000 mAh battery with 5W charging support. Additionally, the smartphone features Face Unlock system for authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes 4G, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 4.2, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a microUSB charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 148.7 by 71.2 by 10mm, and it weighs around 191 grams. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. Unfortunately, the company haven't revealed the pricing details of the smartphone at the moment, but we can expect the phone to be priced around $70, and it will be seen in charcoal and dark sand color options. So what do you guys think of this Nokia C02 smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.